Yep, it's filming.
Okay. I'm Lily and this is my friend Chucky. We're gonna do a puppet show. Okay.
It's probably going to be a good puppet show.
What now? Okay. Once upon a time, there was a boy called Chucky. And he was walking to the shops with his mother. Then he ran away.
Oh, Chucky's running everywhere. I can't follow him.
And he got in the forest.
In the forest? That looks like under a chair, not in the forest. Are you sure that's a forest under there?
And we just pretend.
Oh, sorry.
And there was a tiger.
A tiger? Under my chair? What the hell? I don't think I should be in the house anymore. There's tigers and stuff.
No!
Are you serious?
It's in the puppet show.
Oh, you're just pretending.
In
Oh.
the forest.
Jesus. No, there's a chair.
It's the puppet show.
You just said it's a forest. Now you're saying it's a puppet show. What?
In the
Oh, it's a forest in the puppet show. Oh, okay. Now I understand. Sorry. Silly. Silly dad.
Ran through and the tiger got him.
What? You didn't tell me this puppet show was 18 R-rated plus. Oh my God.
And then he
Chucky!
ran away.
He ran? I thought he got eaten by a tiger. How the hell did he run if he was in a tiger's belly? What do you want, big nugget man?
Can I not go to school?
You going to school, buddy? Education is the
Come
key.
on, Tuck.
Education is the key to life. My little fella.
Puppet show.
Oh,
Oh, sit down. Alright, run while you still can.
And the tiger got him in his arms, and then he whipped out of it in one way, and he found a mountain and climbed it up. And he got up. And he jumped over. And he
Oh, Chucky.
and then he was like, "Oh,
Oh my God, Angelica. I think I smashed my face.
and he smashed his mouth. Ow, 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 ow. Come on. Smile.
Oh my God. Ah! I'm being accosted by a goddamn crazy child. Help me! Help me, fellow ringer! Help me!
And
Sorry, little Chucky dude, you're all on your own. Help me! I'm not helping you, Chucky. She's too crazy, man. I don't mess with that.
okay.
Have you met her mother? Oh my God.